Hello everyone. So guys, this is very quick and short video, but a very important one. When you start your GATE aerospace preparation, you should know what all topics we need to cover, what is the weightage of each topic, and so on. So when you're starting your preparation, make sure you know all these things back and forth. What are the topics? What is the weightage? So that you can decide a proper plan. You can prepare a proper plan. You can schedule your topics accordingly. So without wasting any time, I just quickly want to enter into what all subjects we're going to see and then eventually our future plans. All right. So first, I want to go into a general AE weightage. When I say general, so this is I've taken into account from 2007 till 2025. All right, generally, what is the weightage? And then each year there is a variation of plus one minus. I'll show you 2025 example as well. So if you see general topics, right? Let me start with general aptitude first. The reason of starting with aptitude, let me just use a pointer here. The reason of starting with general aptitude is because this is fixed for 15 marks. So every year this weightage will not change. So this becomes a crucial topic for your GATE exam. Then, if you see mathematics, I have marked it as 12 because this is the actual weightage of maths in your GATE syllabus. Sometimes I've observed 13 marks also. And the important thing is in 2025, mathematics for us was 18 marks. So that's the major difference we have observed. Otherwise, it is very consistent. It is almost 12 years. Every year it can go to 13 and so, but they have increased it to 18 in GATE Aerospace 2025. This is second thing. Now, when it comes to core, I have not mentioned space mechanics here. There is a reason because space mechanics is a very small, short topic which is asked for 2 marks. Now, again, there is 1 year, if I'm not wrong, maybe 2015 or something, in which there is not even a single question coming from space mechanics. But if you go in 2018, it is asked for 3 marks. But typically, the trend is it is always and always asked for 2 marks in your GATE exam. Then the next topic, which is of heavy weightage, which is consistent all the time. So you see structures, I have written 20. I have seen years it can go to 25. I have seen years it can go to 18 or something, but it is a very consistent topic, guys. The structures, if you see, right, very consistent 20 marks, and this is the most weightage topic. Now, coming to aerodynamics, again, I have written 20 marks. Now, keep one thing in mind when we have specified aerodynamics here, all right, this portion, this covers basics of your fluid mechanics. This covers your entire aerodynamics syllabus in which you will study about low speed aerodynamics, you will study about high speed aerodynamics, you will talk about high lift devices, NACA airfoils, swept back wings. It's a very small topics clubbed together and known as aerodynamics. You need to talk about you need to talk about um, high lift devices, which I've already touched upon, aerodynamic center, center of pressure. And the major topic which is coming here is gas dynamics. This is the reason it becomes heavy. So specifically in aerodynamics will cover around 6 marks and maybe sometimes more than that. All right, this is the reason I have kept this as 20. Then you have remaining two topics, propulsion, roughly speaking around 16. Again, it can go to 18, it can go to 20 as well. And flight mechanics I have again marked as 15 marks. So this is a very, I should not say rough, it's a very accurate approximation considering all the years from 2007 till 2025. But just to make you people understand the variability, if you see aptitude is for 15 marks in 2025, this is in 2025, which I'm talking about. And this is the point I was making. In previous year, all the average maths is for 12. But if you see here, it is maths is asked for 18 marks in your GATE exam. So this is a huge jump of 6 marks. If you see structures, very consistent, 19. Aerodynamics, consistent, 20. Space mechanics, consistent, 2. And the reason of slightly reduction in marks of propulsion and flight mechanics because they have given some marks over in mathematics. So when you start your preparation, right, you should not only focus on 2025, take this average numbers in mind, and depending upon this, you start preparing your plan. Roughly 2025, if you see the broad distribution of questions, right? So there are 35 questions coming from MCQs. Keep this in mind, and MCQs will give you negative marks. There were two multiple select questions. There is no negative for this. And there are 28 numerical answer type. That means you need to fill in the blank your answers. So these are basically numericals. Typically, multiple choice questions goes in theory. Multiple select typically goes in theory. One or two numericals maybe here and there in both. And 28 direct numericals, which you need to increase your speed so that you can calculate properly without any error. So that's the reason it was a bit lengthy paper, I can say. It was not lengthy, it was lengthy because of more numericals which you need to solve. So as a summary overall, when you please start your preparation, just make sure that when you're starting this, please include aptitude and maths in such a way, guys, that I do this in every video of mine, and I stress on this, and there is a reason. I'm doing aerospace from so many years, and I'm stressing on this on every video. Please, when you prepare a preparation plan for you, make sure you do general aptitude and mathematics on a regular basis. If not daily, do it at least twice in a week or something, and do this for the entire year. This should not take more time. Give just 15, 20, half an hour to these topics and then focus on core subjects. But please include this in your preparation, because this itself is more than enough to qualify the exam. Typically, qualifying marks varies from 27, 28, 29. I'm saying general category. And if you see this together, 15 and 12 is 27. And in 2025, 15 and 18, it was 33, right? Correct. So getting or qualifying the gate exam is you're not even going to touch the core, and you should qualify your gate exam. And after that, you have complete propulsion, structures, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space mechanics. Now, depending upon these weightage, how your preparation plan should be, you should see my videos in which I have discussed individually what are the topics you should study. So don't go and read complete John D. Anderson for aerodynamics. It is not required. You have to refer multiple books, but small chapters. I will discuss that in my next video, specifically on aerodynamics. Then similarly, we will have on flight mechanics, structures, propulsion, and space mechanics. I will tell you which book to refer in that book, which chapter to read, and then you can practice your previous year gate questions and some example problems or assignment sheets. Hopefully, this video helps you. If you like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. This let me know that people are interested in these kind of videos, and I can give more content which is helpful for your preparation. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.